In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get audit trails in DocuSign, step by step. If you ever need to verify who signed a document, when it was viewed, when it was completed, or simply track every action taken on an agreement, the audit trail is exactly what you're looking for. This is especially important for compliance, legal records, and internal documentation. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can quickly access the full activity history of any envelope inside DocuSign. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can do this by heading to apps.docusign.com and signing in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. This is where you can see your recent activity, envelopes, and account overview. From here, the next step is to navigate to your agreements. On the top navigation menu, click on Agreements. This section contains all the documents you've sent, received, completed, or are currently waiting on. Once you're inside the Agreements tab, you'll see a list of your documents. Now locate the specific document or envelope for which you want to retrieve the audit trail. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have many documents and want to find it faster. When you find the correct document, click directly on it to open its details page. After opening the document, you'll see an overview panel with information such as the status, recipients, and summary details. To access the audit trail, look towards the upper area of the document details page and find the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to reveal additional actions related to this envelope. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on History. This is where DocuSign stores the full audit trail and activity log for that specific agreement. Once you click on History, you'll be taken to a detailed activity view. Here, you can see all activities associated with the document. This includes when the envelope was created, when it was sent, when recipients viewed it, when they signed it, IP address information, timestamps, authentication details, and completion status. You can scroll through this section to see the entire timeline of actions in chronological order. This history serves as the official audit trail for the agreement. If you need to provide proof of signature or demonstrate compliance, this is the record you would reference. Depending on your DocuSign plan, you may also see options to download or print the certificate of completion, which includes the full audit log in a formal PDF format. That document can be saved for your records or shared with legal or compliance teams if required. And that's it. That's how you get audit trails in DocuSign. Just log in, go to Agreements, open your document, click the three dots, select History, and review all activities. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.